Here's a 1968 Chevrolet Bel Air. As you can see, it's finished in flat black paint because this car is going for that sleeper look, and it pulls it off. It's got a 427 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes paired with a turbo 400, and it also has a fuel injection system on it, so very nice running strong engine. That 427, as you can see by the badging on there. Very cool look to this car. It does have front disc brakes on it. Like I said, it is power brakes, power steering. So the thing about this car is it drives out absolutely beautiful. Has a new interior in it. Rally wheels. Very, very cool look to this car. If you'd like to check out the still pics, check out the engine bay, check out underneath it. Very solid car underneath. Newer suspension work done to it. Those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the trunk. There's a little ding back here. Kind of point out a couple of the things on it. Otherwise, body's darn straight on it. Again, it's just got the flat black paint for that sleeper look to it. We're going to go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it. Awesome sounding car. Yeah, one of the stronger points of this car is how this thing drives out. I jump in it and go anywhere. As you can also see, finished off very nice on the inside. Vinyl cloth interior combo. Headliner all good. Nice dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Aftermarket retro radio stereo in it. Is a programmable fuel injection there. Let's get out so you can hear this. Listen to that 427 rumble to it. Very cool car. 1968 Chevrolet Bel Air. 427 fuel injected. Power steering, power brakes, turbo 400 tranny. Like to know more, give us a call, 507-386-1726. Like I said, you can check out any of the still pictures, engine bay, trunk, interior, underside at uniqueclassiccars.com.